so kasama natin ngayon sa vlog ng sisters ko. Si Francis, tsaka si Ann. Magkaya ka naman, Francis. Alam mo, maraming maganda ka daw. Kasi nung pinost ko yung yung picture mo, nung gumawa ako ng music para sa iyo.
10 years ago pa yun.
Ilang years ago ba yun?
10 years
Pero
ago.
maganda ka pa rin naman, di ba? Di mo nagbago yung face mo eh. Yung pisngi lang. Okay, kasama natin si Ann right now. Ano, bibiling ko na ba to para sa iyo? May Bitcoin ako dito, oh. Pambabayad natin, Bitcoin. Ayan, Ann, bagay sa iyo. Ayan, oh. Oh. Diba? Bagay sa kanya, may pink yata na ganyan eh. Pony. Kuya, excuse lang ha, video ko lang. So, kasama natin yung dalawang kapatid ko. Meetingin ng kotse. Actually, kakabili lang niya ng bagong hybrid na territory. Ito, Francis, para sa'yo. Para matuto ka mag-drive, no? Pwede sa'yo ito.
Ay, doctorate na ako sa driving. Beso ako nag-driving.
Medyo, ba't ganito yung telepono ko, nag-hang na naman. Okay, so titingin-tingin lang kami ng sasakyan dito. We'll be back. Only. Okay, so what we have here, guys, this is a surprise for me, okay? So I've been here sa car show for 3 days now. Kasama ko siyempre si Boss Mike. Well, meron tayong visitor dito. Hindi ko alam pumunta dito sa show. Well, good thing, nakita ko, nakilala ko. We have John here.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, John,
Bay
brother.
Area, man.
From the Bay Area. Okay. Boss Mike from San Francisco ba to? Bay Area?
I will visit Bay Area on May 11.
Oh, yeah? You'll be in the station. Okay. You better hook up with John. Okay.
I will visit Napa first before.
Yeah, magpapakalasing ka muna, boss.
45 minutes away. I stay in Napa.
Okay. So, John, I'd like to thank you, okay?
Oh, no.
Because I didn't know that, you've been following me, watching my vlogs every day.
The popular guy in San Francisco, man.
I hope.
Seriously.
Yeah, I hope, John. I hope. And thank you for supporting me till now. So, how's the video? You love it?
Oh, love it. Just a little bit naughty, but
Naughty and nice.
yeah, naughty and nice.
Naughty but nice.
Tagalog.
Yeah.
Maginoo.
Maginoo.
Medyo bastos.
Pero bastos.
Medyo lang.
Medyo lang.
Medyo lang naman. Oh, thank you. You want to greet somebody from the States or what?
We might go to SEMA together.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
Hopefully.
Sure.
Yeah, hopefully I'll go with Boss Mike to SEMA.
Okay.
Thank you so
Would
much.
like to greet anybody
Just
from
wanna
the
say,
Bay?
Hi to the Bay Area. Timo.
Yeah.
Friend.
And I hope,
Warriors.
yeah, go Warriors, and also all the people from the Bay Area. I hope you subscribe to my
Oh,
channel.
definitely.
Maverick
Definitely.
only. And syempre, I'd like to get the names. What's your name? Jeff and
Kicks.
your locals. Taga dito, di ba? Oh, so thank you for showing John around. Okay. John, gusto mo ba i-take home mo na to?
No, there we go.
Hold on. Come on.
No, I'm good.
Amor, can I borrow you 10 seconds of your life?
Oh my God, man.
I'd like
Appreciate, dude.
to introduce someone to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have,
Okay,
John, we
Amor.
have dual cam here.
Okay,
right?
Amor.
Okay. You know Amor. Amor is Viva Max babe.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
She's an actress.
Oh, okay.
That's rated R.
Rated R?
Not yet rated
Oh,
X.
yeah.
Rated R. Okay, Amor, I'd like to meet John. He's from the Bay Area, from San Francisco. Pumunta pa lang dito yan para makilala ikaw tsaka ako.
Popular guy.
So, you like to bring her with you in the Bay Area? May passport ka na ba? May passport ka na?
Meron na.
Gusto mo green card? Gusto mo maging citizen? Thank you, John, for supporting us.
I appreciate it.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Amor. Thank you.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
Can't
thank
wait.
you.
Can't
Yeah.
wait, brother.
No problem, man. Thank you. Only.
Thank you.
Hi, baby. Why are you crying? I'm a friend of your dad. Hindi ka ba sanay makita ng artista? Ano ba to? Tagalog, English? Espanyol? Habla Espanyol?
Wala.
Ang ganda niya. Kamukha. Buti kamukha mo. Ganda ng mata, di ba? We're friends now, ha? You want my ring? Ayan. Pero ang ganda mo ng friend mo, ate. What's your name?
Ala, Chelyo po.
Ha?
Celio po.
Shelo?
Yes po.
Shelo.
Celio.
Goddamn, Shelo. You're hot as hell. How are you? I heard single ka daw.
Yes po.
Actually, naghahanap ako na, meron akong foundation.
Ay, yung
Oo.
mga single po. Ganon.
Yeah, parang yan. Iahon sa putik foundation. Nag-aahon ako sa putik ng mga single female from 18 to 25 years old.
25.
Single, pag may boyfriend nga lang, disqualified. Total single ka, kaya qualified na qualified.
Okay.
Tsaka alam mo ako sa edad naman, ano naman ako negotiable.
Ay, okay.
As long as kasing ganda mo, pwede pa rin kahit na 40 na.
Okay po.
Diba? Do you have any Facebook page where they can follow you?
Charlie David na lang po. Charlie David.
Sige, kunin ko na lang.
Sige
Thank
po.
you, Shelo. And what's your name, ate?
Siya.
Siya. Sana ganun din, no? Siguro pag nagkaanak kami ni Shelo, ganyan, kasing ganda. No? Thank you, guys. Only. Hi, Miyuki.
Oh, hi.
God damn, you're still hot as hell, Miyuki. How are you today? Yeah, I know. So, meron ba akong mabibili dito right now?
Yeah.
I'm looking for an EV.
Actually, here, EV5 are newly launched.
Oh, what? This one?
EV5, sir.
What do you call this one?
EV5.
EV5. Okay.
It's a 5-seater fully electric.
So, this full electric. How many mileage ang tatakboy niya?
So for this, we have two variants.
Ah.
For GLS, our top of the line sir is with a range of 550 kilometers sir. So bale, meron din tayong entry level sir for 400 kilometer ang range naman.
How much is this ballpark figure?
For this sir, top of the line sir, 1.690.
Only
Yes, only.
0.698.
Yes.
Can I pay in bitcoins? Pwede ba? Tumatanggap pa kayo? Bakit?
Kailangan din convert to cash.
Hindi, I have a bitcoin. Totoo. Have you seen a bitcoin?
Yes.
It's $68,000 eh.
Wow.
Pwede ba? Ha?
Let's convert it to cash na lang.
Talaga ganun.
Yeah.
O sige, if I buy, for example, pwede convert. Di ba may mga freebie? Ano ba mga freebie kasama nito?
Well, we have yung voucher natin, sir. We can secure the voucher. So, ang voucher natin is 20,000 to 100,000.
Okay, ganun lang. Tapos may kasama ang world. Pwede ba hindi ko nakukunin yung discount? Tapos, pwede ba yung discount, I won't take it anymore. Ikaw na lang yung freebie.
Sir, ano
Tapos
ako,
yun-
mahal ako.
Hindi, yung sukli ng bitcoin ko kasi may sukli sa'yo pa.
Oh, wow. Ano prices ako, sir?
Ha? Prices ka ba? Well, di ba, lahat naman, if the price is right, di ba?
Oh.
I'm just kidding you, Mia. You know me
But
naman.
my price is never right.
Never, right?
That's right.
Unlimited ba? Unlimited ba? Ako okay lang eh. Basta sa akin, I'll pay. Basta as long as I'm always happy. Ending ko happy always. Happily ever after.
Yes, you need to buy EV5 so you can be happy. Only.
With you
Yeah.
only. Thank you, Miyuki.
Thank you so
Facebook
much.
page mo.
Yuki Diaz sa Facebook and then IG naman Yuki Chan.
Thank you, Miyuki. Only. Okay, good day guys. Maverick only here at Mia's third day, Saturday. And I'm here at the main hall right now. So, na-check ko lang yung mga coaching pwede nating feature ng mga EV at mga modelong sasakyan. Okay, so, kuya, parang gusto mo magpa-picture. O, 20-20 lang, tara.
Aba, 20.
20 lang. Tara, ayan, nakasama ka sa vlog. Saan ba? Dito ba?
Okay.
Ayan. Ayan ha. Salamat. O, ayan ha. O, 20 lang yun. Mura lang. Thank you, kuya. Okay. So, right now, ito, parang maganda. Holy Mary, Mother of God. Damn, Kiana. You're hot as hell. Ganda mo naman, Kiana. How are you today? Buti naman nakita kita rito. Pang third day mo na ba? Oh, yeah? Talaga? So, what's new here? Ano bang booth natin?
Cherry. Yeah.
Cherry, parang like yours. The very fresh cherry. Kamusta na cherry mo?
Ha?
Kamusta na yung cherry mo?
Ano? Cherry
May
brand?
nagpa-pop up na ba? Wala pa. Okay, so what's new? Meron ba tayong mga EV na cherry?
Yeah, meron. Nandun sa may kabilang
Okay.
part.
What, this one?
No, ito yung mga engine namin.
Engine to.
And the touring. Dun sa kabila yung mga...
Alam, dun.
Yes.
Okay. So, what meron bang promo ang cherry ngayon?
Yeah, up to 100k discount.
Ah, ganun ba?
Yes.
Okay, pwede ba ganito na lang? Pag bumili ako ng cherry, hindi ko nakukunin yung discount, ikaw na lang yung freebie.
Hindi pwede.
Bakit naman?
100k, mukha ba ako? Hello,
Hindi, mas
I'm
gusto
worth
kita eh.
more than that.
Alam mo, nakafollow ko sa'yo. Nakikita ko siguro, na-heart ko
thank
ko-comment
you.
ako sa'yo palagi. Ha? Talaga? Tsaka nakita ko lagi kang nasa abroad ah.
Kailangan.
Mahilig ka ba mag-travel?
Siyempre naman, yung mga pinaghirapan ko, di ba?
Oh, gusto mo minsan, sama kita sa Vatican?
Vatican?
Oh, sa Rome. Pwede ba? Ma-invite
Pwede,
kita ron?
pwede naman.
Oh, kasi alam mo meron ako mga kukunin na what you call this, yung mga minana ko sa Pope. Katulad na itong God coin, nakakita ka na ba ng ganito? Ano?
Oh, grabe naman yung sing-sing mo.
Nasasapawan ba?
30 karat.
Oo, di ba? Ito yung God coin, no?
Ano yan?
Yan yung silver na binayad kay Judas nung binitray na si Jesus. Oh, yan yung God coin. Yeah, oo. Kaya ito, kapag nagkasala tayong dalawa, pwede kong tubusin yung kaluluwa mo. Babayad ko lang to. Thank you, ha. Again,
Ayaw magkasala.
Masarap eh, di ba?
Ganun ba?
Hindi, kunyari ganito, oh, kung Bitcoin naman ang bibigay,
Ay, wow. Bitcoin.
you know how much a Bitcoin? Ano, totoo yan, ha? Di ba mabigat, di ba?
Totoo pala yung Bitcoin.
Yeah, oh, that's
But
68.
like, akala ko kasi sa
No, meron talaga na gold, ganyan. That's, yeah,
May
that's,
coin pala talaga.
yeah, that's $68,000 US. Only.
Akin na.
Ha?
Yes!
Alam, madali naman ang kausap eh. Basta ang gusto ko lang naman, happy ending lang ako.
Wow.
Happily ever after. Thank you, Kiana. Your Facebook page.
My Facebook page, Kiana Luis De Leon.
Instagram the same.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kiana. Only. God damn.